Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Biological. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Georgia Sales Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And bring up the search bar and type in Georgia Sales Tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link gtc.dor.ge.gov. Just click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface, which is the homepage of Georgia. Scroll down a bit. Now over here you can see the login form at the right side of your screen. Just you need to enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on forgot username or password. Then you'll be recover your password and username so easily. If you don't have any account of Georgia, just click on sign up button. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the uploads. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.